You know what? I genuinely think I'm banned from Ctrader, if that's even a thing. Look, let me show you this, right? Look, I've got IC Markets, MT4, MT5 and Ctrader on my desktop. Now, MT4 works fine. Worked fine last week, worked fine yesterday, worked fine today. Okay, loads up, absolutely perfect. The exact same happens with MT5. That works fine, okay? Hold on, let me just get rid of that there. With Ctrader, not the case, doesn't work. I click on Ctrader and this happens. I get this kind of blank screen and that's it. Doesn't load up. Don't know why. Last week worked absolutely fine. On Thursday, it was working fine. On Monday, didn't work. Just stopped working on Monday. So I assumed, okay, maybe it's a dodgy platform. I'll re-download it. I'll reinstall it. Maybe it'll fix the problem. Did it? No. So I did it again. Deleted it, downloaded it, reinstalled it. Again, same problem. Doesn't work. So I thought, okay, maybe it's a problem with the servers. I'll wait a day and maybe it'll fix itself. Today's Tuesday. Again, same problem, not working. And it's funny how Ctrader is the platform that I'm placing my trades on. So I think it's just, I don't know if it's just a coincidence, but MT4 works fine, MT5 works fine, but Ctrader, the platform that where I place my trades on, just not working. It's just decided it's going to stop working. Look, I click on it. Hold on, that's look, I click on it there, and I just get this blank screen. I click on it, and nothing happens. If any of you lot have had this before, please tell me how to fix it, because I don't really know where to go now. I've downloaded three times I've downloaded Ctrader and every single one of them isn't working. If anyone's had this problem, please let me know, because today's trading I had to move over to MT4. I had to place my trades on MT4, and this is the reason for today's video, because I took some absolute beautiful trades which I want to break them down for you. Now, I called all of these trades in the Telegram and Facebook VIP group. We did 100% today. Every single trade that I called went perfectly in the money. I'll actually show you. There's two trades that I want to break down for you. Let me load up here. One is GP Chef and USD Chef. So as you see here, for some reason I was trading chef pairs today, or chef. But yeah, two nice little sells here, and a lot of BD members caught them as well. They were kind of riding along with my success here. You can see here USD Chef was quite choppy sideways earlier, but now it's dropped. So you can see here scalping, but testing yet. These were this was this morning. Those trades came in nicely. That was at, well, the okay, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Keep going here. I'm doing Jamie's scalping strategy and it's going very good. Problem with scalping, went for a quick lunch and missed out on 200 plus pips on gold. That's typically always the case. You leave away, you step away from your computer and you always miss the good setups. Again here, got 40 pips, nice scalping. I was eager with manual trading my stop loss earlier. These were some open trades that I took this morning. So these were the open trades this morning. AUD JPY is, I'm still in that trade. It's kind of just doing nothing. Some BD member killing it on binary here, 3-0. But as you see, this is USD Chef, which I broke down last night with the members area. You can see here a nice little Mogwai signal on TradingView. But if we just go over to these setups now, I'll break them down for you. I can't do this on Ctrader. Don't know. Ctrader lets me delete it, but doesn't come back up. Honestly, so frustrating. But anyway, let's go back to MetaTrader 4, right? So first currency pair I want to break down is USD GP Chef, okay? We had this nice little Mogwai signal. In fact, we had a lot of Mogwai signals. We had nice little back-to-back winners here. Nice little buy, nice little sell, nice little buy, nice little sell. But the sells or the trades that I took was this one here. Beautiful, beautiful sell. This was a textbook trade. Honestly, when I explained to you just how good, or I explained to you the reasons behind it, you'll understand why it was so good. So on the 5-minute time frame, we had the MACD gone overboard, we had Mogwai signals, TCA lines in the band. Beautiful. This trade literally dropped straight from this level. Now, the reason why I took this trade, if we just go over to TradingView now, okay, this is GP Swiss franc on the 4-hour time frame. If we just have a look, by the way, we have got the binary destroyer on TradingView, but I'm not doing any trading with it just yet because I haven't built the RSI or the MACD yet. Once that's built, I'll do some trading with it and you can all see how well it performs, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be working sweet next week once I get all the MACD files back. Anyway, but if we just have a quick look at the daily time frame, okay? Now my style of trading, okay, is quite simple. Is trading with the trend down, pull back, trend down, pull back, trend down. As much as that is very simple, you know, and you watch YouTube videos or you read courses and they tell you this is how a trend looks, in reality it doesn't quite look like this, okay? It looks something like this here, all over the place, messy, messy, messy. And over time, the more you spend on the charts, the more you'll be able to filter out the noise and the candlesticks and actually see what is happening. So let me show you what is happening on GP Chef right now. So if I just draw some areas on the chart, I'm trying to figure out how to use where's Ctrader, trying to figure out how to use it. So here we go, rectangle here. Okay, so first of all, we've got an area of resistance at the top, and again we've got an area of support at the bottom just there. Okay, so pretty much for the past, well, this is on the daily time frame, so about a month now, maybe a few months, GP Swiss has been ranging in a market, bouncing from the top all the way to the lows and then back up again. Okay, so quite simple, it's in a range. So what I was looking for was a breakout of that range, and we actually had that here. Okay, the last few days is GP Swiss has made a new low in the market. So you can see here, we've got a nice little low being formed. So you can see here, nice little break and retest, okay? It's created a new low. And if we actually go over to the 4-hour now, so we go over to the 4-hour, you can see exactly what I see. You can see this nice little trend down like that, pull back, trend down. See that? So you can start to see now, once you filter out all the noise and you go down between between time frames, it all starts to make sense. And then what happens is we pull back. And we pull back to this level here. Now, obviously, I seen this movement happen over the last few days, and I said to the BD members, I'm looking for a pullback to this region here, and I'll be taking it down like that there. Now, I am a scalper. I'm not a swing trader, so I'm not looking for big moves. Okay, I don't want to hold a trade for a few weeks. I want to be in and out within a few hours. So what I do is I loaded up the binary destroyer on the 5-minute time frame, and I was looking for sells at this level. And as you can see here, if we go up to the binary destroyer, we had those sells right at that level. So you can see what I was doing. I was doing a top-down analysis. I marked up a number of currency pairs, and I said, okay, when price pulls back to that level, I'm looking for a Mogwai signal, and I'm going to sell GP Chef. That happened. It worked out perfectly. Now, the other trade that I wanted to explain, and again, it's a very simple trade when you break it down, was USD Chef. So again, we had this nice little sell on USD Chef here. We also had a nice little buy as well. Nice little binary destroyer has been incredible these last few weeks. So nice little sell, nice little buy. Now, a lot of BD members will say, Jamie, that's a very risky trade. TCA lines come out. In fact, I had a webinar of a BD member yesterday, and we literally had the same conversation about this trade and the TCA line coming out. But the MACD's gone overbought. TCA line has come out, Mogwai signal, and I normally don't take trades if the TCA lines come out, but on this occasion I broke my rules, and I want to explain to you why. Okay, so again, this area here is an area that interested me. It was this area here that I wanted to sell USD Chef. So again, let's go back to TradingView now, and let's have a look at, I think it's there. Here we go here. Okay. So I actually marked this up. It's funny because I actually marked this up. Hold on, I can zoom in, can I? Oh, yeah, here we go there. There we go, that's better, isn't it? Getting used to TradingView. So I actually marked this area up yesterday with the BD members. And again, you know what? It's quite simple, right? Hold on, let me just... Oh, I can go really high up here, can't I? Oh, I can, there we go. Okay, so let's just bring it up like this here. There we go there. So as you can see it, very, very textbook trade. Okay, couldn't be any more simpler. Trend down, pull back, right? Trend down, pull back to this region here, yeah? Trend down. What do you think the next move is? Pull back. And what do you think the next move is after that? Trend down. That was pretty much my logic. And with USD Swiss franc, I've been watching that over and over again happened. So when we came down here, this is on the 1 hour time frame, so this was the last few days, when I seen that this currency pair had created a new low, what do you think the next move is going to be after this one? Obviously the same again, a pullback, and we sell at this level, price comes down, price comes back up to this level, and we sell it back down. So you can see now, very, very textbook trades. Very simple, right? It is literally like this, right? It couldn't be any more simpler. First of all, identifying a trend. Well, this is a downtrend, so there you go there. So I don't just want to take a sell, I want to wait for a pullback, okay? I want to wait for a pullback roughly to some kind of resistance area. So as you can see here, we had one just here, just there, that nice area of resistance here. So when I see this currency pair pulling back, I want to take a sell. I load up the binary destroyer and I go, okay, if I get a Mogwai signal at this level here, I'm taking a sell. So I set up the binary destroyer to give me an alert to my phone on this particular currency pair. As soon as I got the notification telling me ping Mogwai signal, I knew it was at this level. Okay, I knew it was because I've been eyeing it up all day and the last few days. I was waiting for it to pull back. As soon as it pulled back to this level, I'm selling. And as you can see here, we rode it all the way down. Obviously, as well, we had a nice little buy just here. But again, if you're taking trades off the 15-minute time frame, you now want to have a look at the 1 hour to see the possible buys. So let me just see if I can spot that little buy on TradingView. So let's bring up TradingView, and that would be here. That would be just here. So this might be a setup of the, let's have a look at the 15-minute charts. Okay, yeah, so just there, right, just there. See that? See that nice area of support just there? See that nice little area? Again, this would have been a risky trade, but obviously, you know, if you were being a little bit risky and you wanted to sell and buy, so basically selling the trend down, then buying the pullback, then selling it back down, and that would have happened just there. So you can see that nice area of support being held just there. So that would have been perfectly lining up with that one just there. So you would have sold it, bought it, maybe sold it again if you're a little bit cheeky, wanted to make some extra money. But yeah, very, very simple trades. And yeah, we had 100% success today. Really happy. My name is Jamie Palmer. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please let me know if you can fix my Ctrader, because if there isn't, I'm going to be not very happy, okay? And somebody's going to be in trouble. Maybe IC Markets, and I'm going to pull them up on it on why I can't trade with Ctrader no more. So my name is Jamie Palmer. Thank you for watching.